Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorial, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your online banking account for Khaliji Bank. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Then go ahead and open up a web browser. On the search bar, type in alkhaliji.com, then enter, then press enter. Now once you land on this page, to log into your internet banking, you have to click on the option that says Internet Banking on the top right corner. Now click on Personal Banking. Now type in your username here, your password here, and then click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you should be successfully logged into your online banking account for Khaliji Bank. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.